Welcome back to J. Kusenga Farm, and your host today is Mazelberg Young. And today we are going to start a series on apple management. And one exciting thing is that J. Kusenga Farm is writing a book on the same. So yay, we are so excited about it. So very soon you will get a copy if you want. Today we are going to begin with checking on the quality of seedlings that you buy when you want to start your farm.
Apple seedlings, if not carefully taken care of, can be attacked by diseases and pests such as apple maggots, apple scab, apple rust, black rot, and apple stem grooving virus, among other diseases.
Few things you need to check for you to get a quality apple seedlings. Number one, they should be grafted and grafted with the right rootstock. Also, the apple that you're buying, you should know which variety of apple you're buying. Number two, it should be free from pests. Number three, it should be free from diseases.
Drought-resistant crops are also a factor to consider when getting quality seedlings. This will help in recovery from the change of environment, and it will ensure the seedling has tolerance to weather conditions of the area of planting. Water stress avoidance is also important in the physiological process when exposed to drought.
They should come from a reputable source. Those are few things you need to check before buying an apple seedling.
Quality assurance on the seedling vendors will also guide you in buying quality seedlings.
And this is the first of the series on apple management. There is more. See you soon. Toodles!